Hello again. This next title should be Mainstream Tactics or Mainstream Media versus Alternative Media. But the problem with that title would be that alternative media is taking over mainstream media. And mainstream media tactics, we have seen these now. I think in this Clinton case where they are reopening, FBI is reopening this case, and this is not all. This is not new tactics. This is old tactics, I would say, because they want to give something in the news where people can focus rather than real issues that people should focus. I believe this email is a good point to focus on, but they want to change the focus from the elections fraud to the email scandals, because they can handle that. They can handle the courts or handle the what come out of FBI. We have seen that, and closing that case proved that, and reopening is continuing the proof of that they can control that, even though the real reasons can be totally different than I'm predicting here. But what I want to talk about is the mainstream tactics. They want to give, if they are something like they are giving lies, many lies, and they want to change the focusers or the subjects of the matters because they want to control what people are thinking or going to think or talk about in their private life or everyday life. And this is why it has to be focused on the Trump side, something good news for them that is far bigger than this elections fraud, because elections fraud are so difficult issue to reveal or get in the mainstream media. So this alternative media is so powerful that they has to have some good news for those people who are not trusting the mainstream media, and this is getting more pressure to talk about these email scandals if they can handle those scandals or what comes out of those scandals. And this way, for them, for Hillary side, it's much better for to have talk about many days about something that nobody really can lay judgment on. You know, nobody in public can just put somebody in high levels on judgment or court or stop this presidential election. Nobody can stop Hillary Clinton to become president from the street view, you know. So this why I think it's so important to media to have this news. Even in Europe, they have, in many mainstream media have reported this reopening Clinton case. So mainstream media always needs to hide smaller truths or lies with the bigger lies or truths. For example, in Jesus' case, they had the same type of thing going. Jesus was making miracles, and Pharisees couldn't stand this man at all because he was so powerful. I'm not saying that Trump is Jesus, but I'm saying that the same type of tactics Pharisees use it against Jesus. Jesus was healing people and was teaching these amazing things to public and was opening their eyes. Who are these Pharisees and publicans and what they are really doing and who they really are. And same way this alternative media and YouTube and blogs and Facebook or whatever, Twitters, are revealing the real people behind the theater of mainstream media. And now I want to read some verses from the Gospels. Gospel of Luke, chapter 11, verse 42 to 46. Jesus is talking straight to Pharisees, what kind of people they are, and are revealing them to the people. It says, I'm reading now from verse 42. But woe unto you, Pharisees, for ye tithe mint and rue and all manner of herbs, and pass over judgment and the law of God. These ought ye to have done, and not to leave the other undone. Woe unto you, Pharisees, for you love uppermost seats in the synagogues, and greetings in the markets. Woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites, for ye are as graves which appear not, and the men that walk over them are not aware of them. Then answered one of the lawyers, and said unto him, Master, thus saying thou reproachest us also. And he said, Woe unto you also, ye lawyers, for ye laid men with burdens grievous to be borne, and ye yourselves touch not the burdens with one of your fingers. So here is just one example of Jesus' teachings, or when Jesus talked straight to the Pharisees. And there are many other these kind of verses in Bible, in the Gospels, that where Jesus is revealing. People are praising these Pharisees and lawyers and Sadducees and others. So this same happens today in mainstream media. Mainstream media is praising politics and presidents and all in high places. And they are making this theater out of them, that they are some kind of good people, like saviors, as these Pharisees was making themselves like saviors. But inside of Pharisees they was really hating Jesus because he was talking truth about them. And I believe that in personal level these politics or whatever are really hating those who are speaking the truth about them. So we always have to have this in our mind when we are watching news or listening to government news. So I think they are like in Jesus times, they was accusing Jesus that he are blasphemy of God, and he made himself God. And you find this when they are giving judgments to Jesus, they are accusing Jesus many things. But all in all, Jesus was without sin, and we as Christians should be also without sin. But we sin and make sinful things and talk sinfully. But even though the mainstream media is most of them are lying to people, and this never ends. This is history repeat itself. So we have to have this on our mind, that they have these tactics of, if there is something happening, they want to bury it under lie, or make it disappear with the lie that this didn't happen, or it was not emails, or it's not so big thing to have over 30,000 emails deleted or whatever, or something else, and they can put war in some country if they need some news. They can attack or shoot the plane down or sink a ship or whatever, and they can blame on the weather or President Putin for everything. Like here in Europe, they are accusing President Putin. In many countries, they are accusing Putin, Mr. President Putin, about many things. Like everything happens in Aleppo or in Ukraine are fault of President Putin, but this is false. And they are hiding these basic facts that there are oil pipelines and there are deals and arms deals and between the governments. They are hiding all of this, and they are not telling the truth. And even about religions, they are hiding for this mass immigration in Europe. They are hiding the real reasons. They are not telling what kind of religions they are coming from. We don't know anything about them. They don't have papers when they come in Europe. And press is not putting real pressure on the real issues in mainstream media, in government media. They are not focusing on the real issues. They are just wanting to, and another thing, they are wanting to win the atmosphere of feelings, like be tolerance. You have to accept this and this and this and this. If you don't accept these our terms in media, what we are giving you, you are a extremist or you are racist. These are mainstream tactics that we should know about and be aware of. Okay, good night, goodbye.